Welcome to our quick guide on adding users to our system. Let's dive right in and start with adding a new center head. First, navigate to the Users module. Once there, click on Add User. You'll need to select the Role drop-down menu and choose Center Head. Then, it's time to input the necessary user details. This includes their name, phone number, email, and any other required information. After double-checking that all details are correct, simply click on Add User. This grants the new center head access to our system. They can now log into the portal using the phone number and password you've just set up. Additionally, when logging into the app, they'll use the same phone number and a one-time password sent via SMS. Now let's move on to adding a teacher. Again, head to the Users module. Click on Add User. This time, when selecting the role, choose Teacher. Fill in the teacher's details just as we did for the center head. After ensuring all information is accurate, click Add User to grant them access. The next step is crucial. Click on the Assign Batch button. This allows you to grant the teacher access to specific batches within the system. Teachers, like center heads, will be able to log into the app using their phone number and a one-time password sent via SMS. However, remember, teachers don't have access to the portal. And that's it. You've successfully added a new center head and a teacher to our system, expanding your team and enhancing our educational environment. Stay tuned for more helpful guides.